Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today I got a treat for you. I did my first inlay. It's actually not a single inlay, it's a double inlay. I'd inlay the cherry inside of the maple first and then walnut. And then it's double-sided. Look at that. So a double-sided double inlay. You want to see how I did it? Stick around.
Next level. Next level.
yeah, that was a fun project. Man, I'm really happy with how this came out. I finished it with General Finishes outdoor oil first, and once that dries, I will coat it with 3 coats of exterior 450 from General Finishes, and that will really help it against the elements, because this will be an exterior sign. And then also, just to help a little bit more, I created a little top bevel. It's got like a 10-degree bevel, a cap if you want, that sits on the very top. I still have to cut it to size, but that will sit on the very top of the sign and just help protect it against the rain and the weather. So once all this dries, I'll be able to screw that all together, and that will be what that will turn out really nice. So I was really happy with the 1/8 inch down spiral bit and the 60-degree V-bit that I picked up from the woodworkingshop.com. You actually might have saw it very early on. I was using a chisel to kind of clean up some of the edges, and that's because I made a mistake, and I told the CNC that I had a 1/4 inch bit, and in reality I had an 1/8 inch bit. So there's a little bit of a difference there that I had to just go back and scrape off with the chisel, which is no big deal. Once I realized that, I made the correction, and the rest was perfect. So, but yeah, all in all, this was a really exciting project. I love projects like this. It really takes me out of my comfort zone and try something new. So again, hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.